This month, it marks the 9 years of Enjoying Art. Enjoying Art community is our art learning community. For our 9th anniversary, this video is going to contain 2 parts. The first part, I'm going to walk you through my recent watercolor painting. I call it Echoes on the Water. Use the watercolor and gouache, similar to how John Singer Sargent did his watercolor painting. After that, I'm going to give an update for our community. For some of you who don't know me well, I'm Yong Chen. I'm an artist and a college painting professor. Let's talk about this painting. Doing a watercolor painting, just like getting into adventure. Before we begin any adventure, we always have a plan. A plan also applies to a watercolor painting like this. I'm going to start masking. I'm going to prepare my brush. I'm going to use the brush to mask. And I'm going to use the Winsor & Newton colorless masking fluid. Start over here. Now I'm going to walk into the background from the top over here. Okay. More yellow. Have a little bit yellow, a little bit lighter. I'm going to remove the masking fluid. I'm going to start giving the colors to the main objects over here. I'm going to focus on the arm and the face first. Put a little bit cool color, a little bit blue right here. I used the transparent watercolor to finish all the main objects, including the light side, shadow side, And then next step, use very thick gouache paints to start create reflections on the water and the splashes. I also use the two brush technique with the gouache white to create small dots. This painting is a part of my personal projects. You will see the full 10 hours process in the Patreon Draw People. Enjoying Art community has two areas. The first area is the Learning Center. On Patreon is patreons.com/Chen. Over there have thousands full learning videos, monthly member lessons, and weekly member meetings for club activities. It's a very helpful learning environment for everyone. The other part of the Enjoying Art community, patreons.com/drawpeople. In this area, I will share with you my personal journey of creating my own art. I will walk you through every painting projects that I do. Come to join me on Patreon. Moving forward, I'm going to have many painting road trips, painting in locations, and meeting members. And I'm going to share with you my travel plans. And you're welcome to join me. Thank you very much for being with me in this helpful, relaxing learning community. Come to join us today. And I will see you in our next video.